In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Venmo on Uber Eats. By the end, you'll have Venmo linked to your Uber Eats account and know exactly how to use it at checkout, so your next order is quick and seamless. Before we start, make sure both the Uber Eats and Venmo apps are installed and updated on your phone. Being signed into your Venmo account ahead of time can speed things up, and having a verified payment source in Venmo, like a bank account, card, or a sufficient Venmo balance, helps prevent checkout hiccups. Open the Uber Eats app and head to your account area. From there, go to Wallet or Payment. This is where all your payment options live. Tap Add Payment Method and choose Venmo from the list. You'll be guided through a quick connection flow. You may be prompted to log into Venmo and authorize Uber Eats to charge through your Venmo account. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm access and your preferred funding method. If Venmo asks for a security code, enter it to verify it's really you. When the link is successful, Venmo will appear in your Uber Eats wallet alongside your other payment options. At this point, you can leave it as an option or set it as your default payment method if you plan to use it regularly. When you're ready to place an order, build your cart as usual and head to checkout. Review your items, delivery address, and any promos. Under Payment, select Venmo. Confirm your order and you're done. Uber Eats will process the payment via Venmo using your available balance first, then the bank or card you've set up within Venmo, depending on your Venmo settings. You'll see a confirmation in Uber Eats, and you may receive a Venmo notification as well. A few quick tips if something doesn't look right. If you don't see Venmo as an option, update both apps and try again. Availability can vary by region and device, so make sure your location services are on and your operating system is current. If linking stalls, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data, or sign out and back into both apps. Double check that your Venmo account is in good standing and that you have a valid funding source attached. If you ever want to remove or edit Venmo on Uber Eats, return to Wallet or Payment to manage it. That's it. Your Venmo is now connected and ready to use on Uber Eats. Enjoy your next order with a faster, familiar way to